His real name is Burak. Date of birth July 21, 1992. Present age he is currently 32 years old. He was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2013 to present. His height is 6 feet 3 inches tall. Halil means Yagmur Yuksel. Date of birth January 2002. Present age she is currently 22 years old. She was born in Izmir, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. He is active 2021 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. His real name is Halil Ibrahim Ceyhan. Date of birth December 13, 1982. Present age he is currently 14 years old. He was born in Sivas, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2013 to present. His height is 6 feet 1 inches tall. His ethnicity is white. His zodiac sign is Sagittarius.